Hi guys, how are you doing? It's me again, Lillian from Kenya to Montana, USA. Um, Thank you for viewing me, viewing my content, liking, leaving a comment, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. By the way, I got a YouTube channel, and it's you can search on YouTube, search for Lillian from Kenya to Montana, USA. Go there and subscribe. Mm? Thank you in advance. Thank you for your support. I love you all. Yeah, it's been a while since I was on YouTube. This week has been so tough. We had a storm, a winter storm. For 3 days it was snowing, and it was horrible. It was so cold. It was snowing for 3 days, but from yesterday it's sunny, it's shining. Yeah, I will show you how it is outside from inside. When I'm in my house, I'll show you how beautiful outside is. It's so shining, bright, and you look on the ground is white, the snow. So we are lucky, we are blessed that we made through the storm, and we are good. uh, Montana is different. I think is these stormy states. There's life just continues as usual. Other places, kids will not go to school. Some people will not go to work. Most of the things, public offices closed. But here, life just move on as usual. There's nothing like we are breaking because of storm. Because for how long will you be breaking throughout? So life just moves on. There's nothing like, if you fear the snow, you will not stay, you will not live in Montana. If you love your life, you love going out, you love outdoor activities. Okay, there are outdoor activities like uh, there are those ones, the games, the snow games, you can do them. But if you like other things, you want to go out with friends, you want to go take photos, take videos outside, this might not be the place for you, because it's not, the weather outside is not favorable. You can only stay in a building or in your car, and it's very dangerous to stay in your car for long. Although that some people have made their cars their houses. Most of people here, the homeless, they have big cars where they stay, they sleep there. So they don't pay rent because rent is expensive. Yeah. So if you know you love yourself, you love going out, you love like outdoors, you are so outgoing, so Montana will not be your place. Please look for somewhere else. Okay, I'll show you how outside it's so beautiful. Let me go and show you. So beautiful outside there. um let's go and see what's happening outside. So let's see, and I'm showing you from my balcony.